Benazir.
Hi.
I'm very happy to see you doing what you are doing over here. Like your dad is very active. Like he's doing a third world solidarity already. He's doing quite a lot of work. So what was the need? What was the purpose of starting youth project?
The purpose was to engage a different audience, which happens to be young people, because too often the young people are not listened to. So my purpose was to use Third World Solidarity platform and to use my youth work background to collide the two, bring the two together, because there is that gap, as you saw clearly, with young people being heard. So that's what I wanted to do.
All right, okay. Then I've got one more question that the people who are in power, who have the answers to their question and who have got a solution to their problem, are you going to involve them as well?
They are already involved. They were sent emails. They didn't come. So I'm very disappointed that they didn't come when they were needed. So of course I set out now to write again to them and say, look, these young people came, where the hell were you when they needed your questions answered? So of course I plan to go forward and involve them more again, definitely.
Don't you think so that it shows an attitude from these member of parliaments that they do not have any, they don't worry about what the young people have to say, and they don't have any concerns about that?
I think it shows that firstly they're very busy, and I know they're very busy, but secondly they could have sent me an email with apologies saying, I apologize I couldn't come, but would you please say these words, or I can come on this date. So it does show a bit of an ignorance from them to not think that it's important to be answerable to these young people. Yes, it's bad. That's why I drive forward to try to be the change that I want to see. I'm not a politician, but unless I get involved, how will I ever be the change that I want to see,
I've got one more question, Benazir. When you will engage these people in future, and these people will know that their audience are going to be young population, the students, etc., who are not a business community, who are not political sport people. Do you think they are going to attend in future?
They have to. They've got no choice. People are asking them to attend. This is their Houses of Commons. This is their, the MPs, they literally live here. So for them not to attend, I don't understand. There's no excuse for them not to come. So if they don't attend, I will continue to have meetings here, and I will continue to ask them to attend. So eventually they have to.
So what, in your personal capacity, what you are doing for the young people?
At the moment, I'm volunteering at Great Ormond Street Hospital. I'm working one-to-one with a disabled child. I'm also talking to a lot of young people on the streets, doing some outreach work, and I'm a governor of my local nursery. So I believe I'm doing a lot that I can do for my community, for the young people. I'm writing to these young people, keeping in touch with them on Facebook, on Twitter. The internet is a fantastic, place to network. So I'm doing it. I'm keeping in touch with them.
Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you, Benazir. And thank you, 786 audience. Thank you for watching us. Thank you. Bye.